Hello, I'm Levi's, business manager at ViewSonic. Here I'm going to show you that the latest configured LED display. And what we make is like this, we open to showing that to a customer how easy of our installation and how light is our cabinet. So our wall mount is very easy to mount a different material of the wall. And when you need to install that, just put it on the hook and down is very easy. And also inside the cabinet, the traditional one, you need to wire a lot of the RJ45 cables. But right now we replace all those RJ45 cables with this LVDS FFC. So it makes the whole cable linking very simple and make our main board very small. Can integrate in our LED display cabinet. So make the whole installation very simple and cut the installation time down to half. So make the whole design of the display very slim. So the body to screen ratio can be very high, installation very easy. And we call this our new pre-configured LED all-in-one. It's an innovative all-in-one. Then that's our unique design in ViewSonic. You can only see it here. So welcome to see us.